I bet you didn't know Java is everywhere. It's like the secret ingredient that makes many things work, from your phone to big computers. Learning Java is like getting a superpower. You can create your own apps, games, and websites. It's like learning a new language, but this language lets you talk to computers and build amazing things. Learning Java is a smart move. Why? Because companies all over the world are looking for Java developers. It's like having a golden ticket to a world of opportunities. So if you're ready to unlock your potential, let's dive into the world of Java. Java is a computer programming language, but it's not just any language. It's one of the most popular and widely used languages in the world. Java has been around for decades and continues to be a cornerstone in the tech industry. Whether you're developing mobile apps, web applications, or large-scale enterprise systems, Java has a role to play. Its versatility and robustness make it a favorite among developers and companies alike. It was created way back in 1995 by a smart guy named James Gosling. James was working at Sun Microsystems when he came up with the idea for Java. His vision was to create a language that could run on any device, regardless of the underlying hardware or operating system. This was a revolutionary concept at the time and has since become a fundamental principle in software development. What makes Java so special? Well, it's designed to be platform independent. This means that Java code can run on any device that has the Java Virtual Machine, or JVM, installed. The JVM acts as an intermediary between the Java code and the device's hardware, allowing the same code to run on a Windows PC, a Mac, a smartphone, or even a smart refrigerator. This write once, run anywhere capability is one of Java's most powerful features. That means you can write your code once and run it on any device that has Java installed. This saves developers a lot of time and effort because they don't have to rewrite their code for different platforms. It also ensures that the software behaves consistently across different environments, which is crucial for maintaining quality and reliability. It's like having a universal translator for computers. Java is also object-oriented. This means that it uses objects to represent data and methods to manipulate that data. Object-oriented programming, or OOP, is a powerful way to organize and structure code, making it easier to understand, maintain, and reuse. Imagine you're building with Lego blocks. Each block is an object, and you can put them together to create something amazing. In Java, these objects can represent real-world entities like customers, products, or transactions. By combining these objects, you can build complex systems that are both flexible and scalable. Each block is an object, and you can put them together to create something amazing. This modular approach allows developers to break down complex problems into smaller, more manageable pieces. It also promotes code reuse, as the same objects can be used in different parts of the program or even in different projects. That's what object-oriented programming is all about, building complex programs by combining smaller, reusable units of code. This not only makes the development process more efficient, but also results in software that is easier to maintain and extend. Java's combination of platform independence and object-oriented principles has made it a go-to language for developers around the world. Before you can start writing Java code, you need to set up your development environment. Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. First, you'll need to download and install the Java Development Kit, or JDK. It's like getting the tools you need to start building. Next, you'll want to choose an Integrated Development Environment, or IDE. Think of an IDE as your coding workshop. It provides a bunch of helpful tools to make coding easier, like code completion and debugging. Some popular IDEs for Java include Eclipse and IntelliJ IDEA. Now let's get our hands dirty with some code. Java has a specific syntax, which is like the grammar of the language. Once you understand the basic syntax, you can start writing your own programs. Here's a classic example. The Hello World program, public class, Hello World, public static void, main string, args, system out.println, Hello World. This simple program prints the message, Hello World, to the console. Don't worry too much about the details for now. We'll cover them later. Section 5, Object-Oriented Programming in Java, Building with Classes and Objects. Remember the Lego blocks we talked about earlier? In Java, we use classes and objects to represent real-world entities. A class is like a blueprint, and an object is an instance of that class. For example, you could have a class called dog with attributes like breed and name. Each dog you create would be an object of the dog class. Object-oriented programming allows us to write modular and reusable code. We can create classes for different concepts and then combine them to build complex applications. Section 6. Level up your Java skills, advanced concepts. In this section, we will delve deeper into the more sophisticated aspects of Java programming that will elevate your coding skills to a professional level. Once you've mastered the basics, you can explore more advanced Java concepts. These concepts will not only make your code more efficient, but also more robust and scalable. Multi-threading allows you to run multiple parts of your program concurrently, like juggling multiple tasks at once. This is particularly useful in applications that require high performance and responsiveness, such as games or real-time data processing systems. Exception handling helps you deal with unexpected errors gracefully, preventing your program from crashing. By using try-catch blocks, you can catch exceptions and handle them in a way that maintains the stability of your application. This is crucial for creating user-friendly software that can handle a variety of input scenarios. The Java Collections framework provides a set of ready-made data structures like lists, sets, and maps. These data structures are essential for managing and organizing large amounts of data efficiently, and maps, making it easier to work with collections of data. Whether you're sorting, searching, or manipulating data, the Collections framework offers a variety of tools to help you perform these tasks with ease. And if you're building web applications, you'll definitely want to check out Java frameworks like Spring. Spring simplifies the development of enterprise-level applications by providing comprehensive infrastructure support, and Hibernate, which provide pre-built components to simplify development. Hibernate, for instance, is an object relational mapping framework that helps you manage database operations with ease. By using these frameworks, you can focus more on writing business logic rather than dealing with boilerplate code. Mastering these advanced concepts will not only make you a more proficient Java developer, but also open up new opportunities in your career. Whether you're aiming to build high-performance applications, manage large datasets, or develop enterprise-level software, these skills are invaluable. So, take the time to understand and practice these advanced Java concepts. They are the key to unlocking your full potential as a developer and achieving success in the ever-evolving field of software development. Section 7. Java. Best practices. Write clean and efficient code. As you become more comfortable with Java, it's important to adopt good coding practices. Write clear and concise code that is easy to read and understand. Use meaningful variable and method names. Comment your code to explain what it does. Avoid common pitfalls like code duplication and spaghetti code. Test your code thoroughly to catch any bugs. By following these best practices, you'll write better code that is easier to maintain and scale. Section 8. Conclusion. Your Java journey begins. Congratulations! You've just taken your first steps into the exciting world of Java programming. This is a significant milestone, and you should be proud of your progress. Learning a new programming language can be challenging, but it's also incredibly rewarding. Java, with its versatility and widespread use, opens up numerous opportunities in the tech industry. Whether you're aiming to develop mobile apps, enterprise software, or even games, Java provides a solid foundation to build upon. We've covered the basics of Java syntax, object-oriented programming, and even touched upon some advanced concepts. Understanding these fundamentals is crucial as they form the building blocks for more complex projects. Java's syntax, while initially daunting, becomes more intuitive with practice. Object-oriented programming, or OOP, is a powerful paradigm that helps in organizing and managing code efficiently. By grasping these concepts, you're well on your way to becoming a proficient Java developer. Remember, the key to mastering any programming language is practice. The more you code, the more comfortable you'll become with the language's nuances. Set aside regular time for coding and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Each error is a learning opportunity. Utilize online resources, join coding communities, and participate in coding challenges to sharpen your skills. Consistency and perseverance are your best allies in this journey. So, keep experimenting, building projects, and exploring the vast world of Java. Start with small projects to apply what you've learned and gradually take on more complex challenges. Collaborate with other developers to gain different perspectives and insights. The Java ecosystem is rich with libraries and frameworks that can enhance your projects. Don't hesitate to dive into these tools and see how they can simplify your development process. If you found this essay helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more coding tutorials and tips. Your support helps me create more content to assist you in your learning journey. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with the latest tutorials, coding challenges, and industry insights. Together, we can continue to grow and improve our coding skills. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Engaging with the community is a great way to deepen your understanding and get help when you're stuck. I'll do my best to answer your queries and provide guidance. Happy coding, and I look forward to seeing the amazing projects you'll create with Java. Section 9. About the author. K.S. Horstman is the author of the acclaimed Core Java series, renowned for its comprehensive coverage of Java programming. With decades of experience in software development and academia, Horstman's expertise has guided countless aspiring Java developers. His clear and engaging writing style makes complex concepts accessible to learners of all levels. Subscribe, like, comment, share. Thank you for watching our comprehensive Java tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please do hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends and fellow developers. Don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts, questions, or any topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Your support helps us bring more valuable content to the community. Happy coding, and see you in the next video.